Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a laggy laptop on your Windows 10. So first one, you need to open Task Manager, right click on it, go to Task Manager. In this menu you can see the CPU section. Check which application use highest CPU in your computer. So in my case currently these are the application using high CPU usage. You can see the percentage of this usage. If you see any unwanted software using high level of CPU, just close that application by just click on that, tap on End Task option. Then after you can restart your computer by just go to Start menu and go to Power icon, then select the Restart. Windows 10 application also similar. And these are the quick steps. So then you can go to Start menu once your computer is turned on, go to Setting. And the left side menu, go to Windows Update and check is there any update available for your computer. If it is yes, you need to resume or check, tap on check for update button, then it will be download the latest updates. And other than that, you can check for overheating. You can touch your laptop and find is there overheated place in your computer. If yes, just try to clean your computer using some cotton or something. So the second methods are for the performance tweaks. So you need to change your computer into the best performance. Simply right click on your this PC icon, then after go to properties option, scroll down a little bit. You can see there is option called Advanced System Setting. Just tap on it. Under the performance section, tap on Settings button. Then after select the Adjust for Best Performance option. Simply tap on it, tap on Apply and OK. Next method is you need to disable the startup programs. You need to right click on this taskbar, go to Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. These are the startup application that will affect to computer power up. So you can see these are the application currently enabled. So if you see these applications are not valid for your computer when it is a startup, simply select that one and select the disable option like this. Now it is disabled. So make sure do for the everything. If it is not necessary, so you can disable like this. And the next method is you can run disk cleanup. You can go to the search bar, type disk cleanup option. Here it is, just tap on it, select your disk and select the OK button. Then it will be automatically clean unnecessary files. Mainly those are temporary files and the files in the recycle bin. Next you can check for malware option. So first you need to go to search bar, type security, go to the Windows security option, go to the virus and threat protection. You can see there is a quick scan option. Simply tap on it. It will be scan your entire system within few minutes based on your hard drive. So this will check is there any malware application are available. It will be automatically removed. So you can try to do that also. So let's move into the advanced optimizations. First you need to adjust your power plan. To do that you need to go to search bar, type control panel like this, simply tap on it, and you need to go to the hardware and sound. So in my case it has large icons, so you need to convert into the category. Then after go to the hardware and sound, go to the power options. You need to tap on change plan setting. So select the change advanced power setting. Okay, so you can see now it is on the balanced mode. So you can cancel this one and cancel this one. Then after you can go to the create power plan option. Actually choose the highest power performance plan, give the name for your plan, go to next, and if you like keep this as it is, simply tap on create. Now you can see there are two options, but the current one is in the highest performance. You can use this one for the highest performance on your computer. So next you can update your drivers. First you need to right click on the start menu, then go to device manager option. So in here you can see display adapters. Double tap on it, you can see this is the adapter that is basically graphic driver. So you can right click on it, go to update driver, go to select the search automatically for drivers. Is there any update available? It will be automatically download. So you can do that same thing for other ones also. As an example, you can go to the network adapters, okay, yeah, and right click on it, go to update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. So it will automatically download is there any update available. Okay, so next method is you can disable the visual effects. So you can go to search bar and type adjust the appearance. You can see it is already appeared, just simply tap on it. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, wait, so these are the animation that are currently running on your system. So if you don't like that one, you can simply untick this one, like animate controls and element, untick and tap on OK. So if you don't know how this will be affect on your system, you can simply select the adjust for best performance option as I previously told. So these are the final hardware upgrades if none of those methods are not working. So first you need to upgrade your SSD. If you are running on the hard drive, you need to upgrade your system into the SSD. So in currently I have 128 gigabytes SSD and 1 terabyte hard drive. So as like that you need to plug hard SSD into your system if you are using hard drive only. And the second thing is you can add more RAM on your computer. So you can see your current RAM on, right click on this PC, you can go to properties. Okay, this is the RAM currently installed on my computer. You can check that one. If that is below 4 gigabytes, you need to upgrade it to at least 8 gigabytes. And then after you can clean internal dust on your computer. If you don't know, you can go to the nearest computer shop and they will check that one. And the final methods you can do is you can reset your PC. Go to search bar, simply type reset this PC, select that one and tap on select PC or reset PC, and this make sure this will reset your entire system and your files. So keep remind that one. And that one also not working, finally you have to clean your Windows 10. That means you have to create new bootable drive and install Windows again. So these are the all methods you can try to fix your lagging issue in your computer. I hope I covered all the things that is related with. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like.